Hello, my dear ones. Good morning and welcome back on our school YouTube platform. I, Pawan Chaudhary, your maths teacher, in front of you with the lecture for grade 5th. Here we are in chapter number 3rd, that is operation on large number. Just we are continuing the exercise, that is exercise number 3.5. In this question number first up to G, we have to solve the questions. Now for this lecture we are starting from the question number G. Okay, page number 46. So open page number 46 and question number G. See the question. We also discuss about the BODMAS rule. I hope you understand that rule and also able to apply that rule in the questions also. 1024 divided by square bracket 1000 divided by 625 divided by 25 divided by 5. Okay. Now see the question. What we have to do, first we solve the small bracket. Okay, the operation in the small bracket, first we have to solve that operations, that is 124 equals to divided by 1000 divided by 625 divided by, now you solve this. When 25 divided by 5, what you got, that is 5. Okay, now here we solve the small bracket. Now see next step, we solve this curly bracket. Now 1024 divided by 1000 divided by, okay, now see here 625 divided by 5, here the result is the 125, result is the 125. Now see here how the 125 comes. 625 divided by 1, 5 1 ja 5, 6 minus 5 1. Now your the next digit is 2, that is 12, 5 2 ja 10. Here you have to subtract 2, 5, 5 5 ja 25. Here this is the result, that is 125. Now see here 1024 divided by, now what you have to do, you have to solve the square bracket here. Now see 125 divided by 6, 6 5 ja 6 5 ja 30, carry 3, 6 2 12, 13 14 15. Here this is not the answer. See here 1000 divided by 125, how much time? See here for 8 times. See here 8 5 ja 40, carry 4, 8 2 ja 16, 16 plus 4 20, 0, carry 2, 8 1 ja 8 plus 2 10. Means when you divide 1000 by 125, what you got, that is 8. What you got, 8. What's the result? Here is 8. Now 1024 divided by 8, 1024 divided by 8, 8 1 ja 8. Now here you have to subtract 8 from 10. What's the result? That is 2. Here note down the next digit. Here it is 22, 8 2 ja 16. What's the result? 6. And here it is 4. 8 times 64. What's the result? That is 128 is the answer. Like this you have to solve. Now see the next question, that is question number G. Sorry, H. Next question, question number H. Question number H. Three multiplied by 15 divided by 9 multiply by 100 divided by 50 minus 30. Here this is your question. Now see this. what you have to do? First you solve the small bracket. Where is the small bracket? Here it is, and here also the small bracket. First you solve these two bracket. Now see, 15 3s are 45 divided by 9 multiply by 100 divided by. Now see here you have to, what is the operation? There is the subtraction. Now you have to subtract 30 from 50. What is the result? Here it is 20. Okay, when you solve the operation in the bracket, then after solving the operations you remove that bracket also. Now see the next one. Here you have to solve this bracket. Now the curly bracket, 45 divided by 9, 5 times 5 multiply by 100 divided by 20. Now see, 5 multiply by 100 was the result 500 divided by 20 divided by 20. 0 you have to cancel 0 from the 0. Okay, now 50 divided by 2 was the result 25 is the answer. Okay, here what's the answer? That is the 25. Now see the question number I. Question number I. These are the important questions, so you have to solve again and again. Now see the next question, that is 5000 minus 1500 plus 1800 plus 1200 divided by 299 minus 199. This is your question. The next question. Now see the next question. First what you have to do, the same thing, you have to solve the small bracket. Okay, the operations in the small bracket. Now see, you have to subtract 1500 from 5000. What's the result? Here it is 3500. Okay, 3500 plus 500 4000, and 4000 plus 100 5000. Okay, now plus 1800 1800 plus 1200. What's the result? Here it is 3000. Okay, here it is also a small bracket, so you have to solve this thing, this one and this one. Okay, now 3500 plus 3000 divided by, when you subtract 199 from 299, what's the result? That is 100. That is 100. Now see the next, you have to add 3 plus 3, 6500 divided by 100. 20, cancel out the 20. What's the result? Here it is 65. What's the result? That is the 65. Okay, now see the next question and the last question of the question number 1. See the last one, that is question number J. Question number J. (196) divided by 14 plus 225 divided by 15 plus 256 divided by 16 multiply by 20. Here this is your question. Now see, yes, 196 divided by 14. What's the result? Here it is the 14. Why? Because 196 is the square of the 14. Now see, if you want to check by division, then you can also check 14 1 14, 5, 6, 4 times 56. What's the result? Here it is 14. Means when you are going to square 14 multiplied by 14, what's the result? That is 196. Okay, now first what you have to do, solve this one and this one. Okay, because these three operations on the are on in the small bracket. So first you solve the small bracket. What's the result when you're going to divide 196 divided by 14? Here it is the 14. Now addition sign is there, put the addition sign here. 225 divided by 15, what's the result you got? That is 15. Why? Because the 225 is the square of the 15. Okay. Plus 256, it is also the square of the 16. When you are going to divide 256 by the 16, what you got? That is the 16. Okay, then after you have to multiply the number with the 20. Now here you have to add 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 4 15, 5 carry 1, 1 2 3 4, 45 multiply by 20. Now 45 you have to multiply 0 here, put the 0 here. 45 to 90, 900 is the answer. What's the answer? That is the 900. Okay, so your question number first is being completed. Now see the question number 2. Question number 2. See the question number 2. What would you get if 199 is added to 301 and the sum is then divided by the difference of 31 and 6. Now see, first you make the expression. See here, what would you get if 199 is added to 301 and then the sum is then divided by, here put the sign divide, the difference of 31 minus 6. Now you have to solve this question only. Okay, 9 plus 1 10, 0 carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 0 10, 0 carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. Here it is 500. When you are going to add 309 and 199, that is 500. Now divided by 31 minus 6, here it is 25. What is the result? 25. 25 to ja 50, 2 times 0 here, put the 0 here. Okay, 20 is the answer. Now your exercise, that is 3.5, is being completed today. In the next lecture we are going to discuss the next exercise, that is the exercise number 3.6. so you have to solve these questions again and again, practicing this question. Okay, thank you very much.